Guys, today is Monday. I hope everyone's day is off to an amazing start. Thanks so much for stopping in today, guys. All right, so today we are coming in to discuss why it is your guest bathroom is so gross. So I know that a few videos back we talked about why it is your guests, your friends, your family, your visitors, those who enter into your home feel like your home is kind of gross. All right, so today we are going to isolate one of the rooms in your house, that room being your guest bathroom, and talk about why it is those who enter into your bathroom doors find it just a little bit on the gross side. Reason number one is going to be that when they go in there to handle their business in private, they are having to share the bathroom with your dog's little wee training pads and your cat's litter box. And they absolutely don't want to smell it. You know, typically our guest bathrooms are, you know, they're kind of small. So when you have a small space, those aromas, they tend to kind of focus in that one little small general area. So it's kind of hard to escape it. It's kind of hard to mask it. You know, no matter how many candles, despite how much, you know, spray, Febreze, it's just not going to cover that cat urine smell mixed with the dog pee pads. So I'm speaking from experience. You know, we don't do that here, but I have, you know, had the opportunity to visit a home where, you know, I had to share the space with a pee pad and a litter box. So the cat and the dog thankfully were not in the bathroom. They let me, you know, go in and do my business before they came in to finish up. But guys, you know, if we have guests coming over, and especially if you have a little bit of warning, let's go ahead and remove the litter box and the pee pads out of the bathrooms so that your guests can have that little space to themselves to handle their business while they're in your home. Your shower curtain liner is a little bit moldy. You know, guys, shower curtain liners are not meant to be something that we have forever. It's not going to be there for the life of the bathroom, all right? So when we get these little shower curtain liners, those are going to have to be replaced. Most of the times, guys, our shower curtain liners, they're not gonna be over a few bucks. I know that you can get them actually from the Dollar Tree for $1. However, with the shower curtain liner, guys, you're going to have to remember that just because it's sitting inside the shower and you're thinking, well, I'm in here taking a shower, so the shower curtain liner is taking a bath. No, at the bottom of your shower curtain liner, you're going to tend to get that hard water buildup, that scum, and the occasional, you know, black mold and mildew. We want to make sure we are switching those things out so that when we have guests come over to our home and they use the bathroom, you know, when you go to someone's home and you use the bathroom, you're sitting there handling your business, and that's the time, you know, you kind of look around, you know, you're checking things out. You know, I don't advocate going into anyone's medicine cabinet, but you know, you're handling your business sitting on the throne, and your mind, your eyes start to wander. You don't want anyone to kind of have their eyes wander over into the bathtub and they see a really filthy, you know, shower curtain, or shower liner. I will say too that, you know, if you have the fabric shower curtains, you want to make sure that you're washing those as well. You know, if you have a bathroom that you're actually sharing with, again, pets, you know, everybody's not aiming to please. All right, some of our pets, the aim can be a little bit off, and so you will want to regularly wash your shower curtain and then either switch out your shower curtain liner, or I have a DIY spray for you too. It's really simple. You're going to use 2 parts peroxide and 1 part just regular old water. All right, keep that in your bathroom somewhere in your cabinet. And if you have guests coming over at the last minute, you can just grab that and spray. It works like a charm. Another quick little DIY cleanup spray for your guest bathroom, specifically for the shower, is going to be grab 2 cups of just white distilled vinegar and 2 tablespoons of Dawn. I love the Blue Dawn. That Blue Dawn, guys, so many things you can do with that dish detergent around the house. But in this particular case, you're gonna take 2 tablespoons, mix it with the 2 cups of vinegar, put it in a spray bottle, guys. It is great for getting the grime off of not only your bathtub, but also that shower curtain liner. And if you have glass doors in your bathroom, it works really nicely for that as well. But yeah, don't allow your guests to come over and you have a grungy shower curtain or a grungy shower curtain liner. I know I've been to some homes where some of the shower curtain liners at the bottom, they've become so just compacted and crusted over with that hard water and mold that they're almost splitting. So guys, please switch those liners out. Now this next one, guys, I don't know. I know this one may spark a little bit of controversy down in the comments, okay? Let me know your thoughts on this one, okay? The toilet bowl cleaner, the brush. Do you guys feel that the brush should be visible in the bathroom? When my guests come over to my home, it is not their job to clean my bathroom. So I will never have my toilet bowl brush out. It will never be visible to my guests. Now, just like me, I know that you guys have gone to homes of your friends and family and seen the toilet bowl brush out. I cannot stand it. To me, that is so very gross. You know, we know what the toilet bowl brush is for. I don't want to have a visual of that while I'm in your bathroom using it, okay? And what is also just even more gross is when your toilet bowl brush, it's not clean. Okay, we'll just leave that there. It is not clean. So that is one of the reasons why, guys, your guests may be finding your guest bathroom to be a little bit gross. Unless you want them to take that brush and clean the bathroom themselves, I wouldn't really have it visible. Whether I have guests coming over or not, I kind of tuck ours away. I have a little, you know, kit or bucket or whatever that I keep all of my cleaning household cleaning supplies in. And so when I'm getting ready to clean, I just grab that little bucket, that little caboodle, and in there is the toilet bowl brush cleaner, toilet bowl brush. But I don't just keep it out on a day-to-day basis. I don't find it necessary, especially, you know, for when you have your guests coming over. All right, but let me know you guys' thoughts on that. Do you keep your toilet bowl brush out? All right, guys, so what is this reason 3 or 4? I have lost count, but the next reason why your guests are finding your guest bathroom to be a little bit gross is going to be that after they're finished using the bathroom, they go over to wash their hands. And if you're anything like me, as you're washing your hands, you just, I don't know, you just look up. You look up into the mirror and, you know, you're kind of checking yourself out. Well, no one wants to be checking themselves out in the mirror and see toothpaste splatter. I don't want to see your bits of leftover food mixed in with Colgate and spit splatter across the mirror. Make sure that if you are using your guest bathroom to brush your teeth, or if anyone else in your home is, you know, maybe using that guest bathroom for their own personal hygiene needs, that you are making sure they clean it up, or that you're going behind them and wiping down the countertops and also the mirrors. All right, no one wants to see that leftover toothpaste, spit, and food clinging to the mirror while they're trying to check out their makeup or, you know, check out their hair. So make sure you clean those mirrors. It is so cloudy today. I'm not sure if you guys can see behind me, but it's kind of dark back here. I have the ring light on, so I hope you guys can actually see me. I hope it's not too dark, but yeah, it's been a cloudy day here in Atlanta. Like I said, today's Monday, April the 8th. Monday, April the 8th. If you live here in Atlanta, not sure when this video is going to come up, but you will be able to attest that today was a cloudy, dreary looking day. All right, but moving right along, guys, our Final reason for now that your guests may be finding your home to be a wee bit gross is that, simply put, guys, when they go in there, it smells like urine, all right? If you are sharing your restroom, your bathroom with your pets, and then you have maybe little kids who, again, they are not aiming to please, so their aim is gonna be a little bit off. Once that urine starts to dry and crust over, guys, it is going to leave just the worst smell. So a quick little DIY for you here is going to be the combination of lemon juice and baking soda. All right, so you want to take 1 lemon, guys. So super simple, so super quick. You want to take 1 fresh lemon, take the juice from that lemon, use a little bit of baking soda, and the consistency is going to be that of the ever popular, what do we always use, pancake batter consistency. You don't want it too runny because you're going to take this mixture and kind of place it on those areas where, you know, those members of your family, their aim is going, all right? So if you're having issues with the little urine crust gathering around the base of your toilet, you're gonna wanna sit it there. If you're having problems with the urine splatters over in the back of the toilet, you want to smear this there. You do, guys, want to wear gloves. All right, please wear gloves. All right, but this smells so amazing. You want to, I can't emphasize enough the fact that you want to use a fresh lemon. All right, so the juice of 1 fresh lemon, baking soda, mine typically the mixture is the consistency, like I said, of a pancake batter, and I use about a tablespoon of baking soda, but again, it's going to depend on how much juice your lemon renders, but you don't want it drippy runny. All right, and so you're gonna place that, guys, on the surfaces in your bathroom, and you're gonna let it sit for roughly 15 minutes. While that is sitting, you're also going to take a 1/2 cup of vinegar. Guys, these are just products that you have in your home, I know, on a day-to-day basis. All right, vinegar, the baking soda, we may or may not have the lemons, but you know, put it on your next grocery list. All right, you're gonna put that 1/2 cup of vinegar into the tank of your toilet, put the lid back on and let it sit for 15 minutes as well. Go about your business cleaning the rest of the bathroom, go put the laundry up, come back, you still have your, you know, put your gloves back on, clean away that paste that you made with the lemon juice and the baking soda, guys. The smell is going to be just so citrusy, so fresh, and then you can go ahead and flush the toilet, all right? What I will oftentimes do is repeat the vinegar in the toilet. I might do that in the tank. I may do that a few times. And the reason, guys, you want to make sure that you're putting that vinegar into the tank, you guys know that vinegar is just a natural deodorizer, okay? It really, I think, neutralizes the odors in our home. I will oftentimes sit a cup of vinegar out if I have cooked something that is just really, you know, garlicky, fishy in the kitchen. I will sit out a cup of vinegar with a little water and it will absolutely neutralize those odors in my home. But so in the bathroom, guys, when you're having all of these urine smells, your toilets, they're made out of materials that will absorb the smells and the scents. So every now and then you want to make sure you are neutralizing those odors in the bathroom so that when your guests walk in there, they're not immediately smelling just old, crusty, gross urine. Well, that is it, guys. Those are my 4 or 5 reasons why your house guests may be feeling like your guest bathroom is a wee tiny bit gross, all right? I know, like I stated earlier, we had the opportunity to discuss why your guests, when they come over, may feel like your home as a whole is a little bit gross, but today I wanted to narrow in on that one space where your guests are going to go in, close the door, and spend some time by themselves and kind of evaluate the space, all right? I don't want them to feel that, you know, you're a gross individual because you have your cat's litter box in there. It has not been scooped out and it's, you know, it's kind of smelling. No one wants to use the bathroom with your cat, all right? But thanks again for stopping in today, guys. I really appreciate it. Looking forward to the dialogue in the comments. Please do not forget to let me know whether or not you feel that the toilet brush should be out. I'm against it. What do you guys think? All right, thanks again for stopping in today, guys. Really do appreciate it, and I will see you all in the next video.